Hey guys, welcome back. This is Saif with another tutorial from Tech4All. In this tutorial, I will show you guys how to find out the original installation date and other system information about your Windows 11. I will show you both from GUI, from the settings application, and using the CMD commands. Let's start. To know the original date of the Windows installation, first of all, open Settings application. Under System Info, scroll down and then click on the About option. Under Windows specification, here you can see that originally the installed date was 12 March 2022, but here it does not show you a complete information along with the time. Now to know that, open CMD and type this command. Write down System Info and press enter from your keyboard. It will show you all the information about your computer, whether it is graphic card or any other. To know the installation date of your Windows operating system, simply type and press enter from your keyboard. First it will load the information and then it will tell you that on which date and time the Windows was installed. I have put down the commands down below in the video description. Copy it from there and paste it inside CMD. Thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will catch you very soon with another one. Till then, have a nice time.